There you go. Can you see all the street furniture on your left?
Yeah, it's
So
bad.
they're all sticking out. So what's the speed limit here?
I'd imagine a 30.
You imagine 30? Have you seen any sign anywhere?
No.
No, okay. So street furniture, any car coming?
No.
When we turn right into the haze lane, you were approaching a bit too fast. Obviously you did realize, and then you did press a brake on the last minute to control that turning. We do MSPSL, so you do your mirrors, which you did, signal, positioning. SL was an issue, so you didn't slow down early, so you did slow down at the last minute.
Yeah.
L means look. So when you are joining a new road, like left or right, any joining a new road, L means looking. Part of your look, there were 2 big 30 signs there.
I did think on the right corner there, I swear there might have been a sign there, but I just didn't catch it.
Why I'm telling you this, because obviously when you start doing your mock test, or when you're going to be going for the test, remember you're going to be driving totally independently.
Yeah.
If you miss that sign, what if that sign was not 30, it would have been 20?
Yeah.
Now you end up doing 30, realizing, okay, it's a tight road, I'm going to do 30. But what if there would have been 20?
Yeah.
So one of my learners did get failed doing 35 on 30 miles per hour road, so they are strict about it. So always remember to look for the signs whenever you're joining a new road though. Yeah, is that clear?
Yeah.
Good.